Amici, buongiorno. Hello guys, we are here in Marrakesh in Remambland Square, and now let's go and see the spices market, one of the most famous market here in Marrakesh. So we are here, it's 10 o'clock, maybe some shops will be still closed, but let's go and have a look. So we enter in this gallery and I will show you the market. So we are between the two main palaces, Palace Badia, it's here, and then on the other side it's Palazzo de Bahia, that is in this side, and then a few minutes and you are in La Medina, the center of Marrakesh. So let's go and discover this beautiful market all together. Andiamo dall'altra parte.
Hello, marhaba. Spices. Français?
Italiano. Wow guys, it's amazing, really amazing. Look here, a lot of shops from where you can buy spices, aroma, perfumes, everything.
Moitié marocain, moitié half. No, half Moroccan, no. Welcome. What is that?
Wow, amazing guys, how many products you have here. Qué bonita, amigos, miren qué bonitas son estas tiendas, muy lindas, tienen un perfume aquí caminando en esta calle, increíble.
Attendez les filles,
لا ماشي مشكلة أنا كنت صوري ها يا صوري صورت معنا ما تصور
هذا غادي
Accarezza. Accarezza. Amazing, there are also the houses. Look here, these beautiful houses, guys. No, no, thank you.
What is this?
Huh?
Snack?
Yeah, nice.
What is that?
I don't know.
Sorry.
No, thank you, thank you.
Non mais c'est des bonnes idées par contre, on les fait pas.
C'est la comparative, photo la comparative. C'est le professeur académie d'artisan. Ouais.
Beh, andiamo, dai. Wow, amazing, many streets beautiful like this, with all these perfumes and spices and the people going up and down on the street. Very nice. Wow, what a nice place as well here in this beautiful market. And then even walking you arrive on this small other square where you can also have some food and try some typical food from Morocco and from Marrakesh. So this was, guys, a small tour on the spices market of Marrakesh. I hope you enjoyed, guys, and ci vediamo presto. Ciao ciao.